Alright, we're here in a big rainstorm at the pond, and an hour ago, or 2 hours ago, I was here and the pond was like a foot lower. So now it's high. And as I was walking here, funniest thing, the bass was hanging out here and he tried to swim away and he swam onto that thing, onto the rock splash, so I got to see him out of the water, and then he darted that way. So that was pretty cool. Alright, I'm gonna start from the top. Let's see, there's a leak over here. I'm gonna have to fix it. Alright, so the water's flowing down the river here. The river. You can see it coming out. Oh, look, there's a clog. I'm gonna clear it a little. There it goes. Flowing nicely. And this started to flow. This wasn't flowing at all today. Alright, I guess we can go down there. Alright, the river continues there. I don't want to go down there. Anyway, the fish have more water. That's good. Hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Wow, we got a lot of action happening here now. So it was pouring for the past half hour now, and the water's a lot higher. So let's see what's happening. Rock Dam is flowing a lot more. So is this. Look at the end of it. It's coming out a lot. Yeah. Same with this. Oh, look. This is flowing a lot more too. Alright, thanks for watching.